Yes, I am living into the ghetto, yeah, and I am gonna show you how we do our place over here. Okay. Hi, good afternoon. I am your girl Tracy with a curve. It's been a long while since I have not seen you guys. You not heard from me in a long while. But today, I just want to inform you that I am back. And trust me, I have so much thing to tell you guys. But for now, I am just letting you know that I am back. So you go and like and press that subscribe button. Today, I am honored to be alive. I am so happy to meet up with you guys and I can share things with you. Now for today, I will just show you around the room and the living and kitchen. Yes, I am living into the ghetto, yeah, and I am gonna show you how we do our place over here. Okay, first I'm gonna show you in my bedroom, so come with me, guys. Oh shoot. Well, this is my room, my little room in here, and yes, as you can see, that's my bed. I have those little butterfly things. I like those butterfly, yep. And that's where I keep my chest of jar, and yes. So that's a sheet. This is a two-color sheet. I like it. It's a gray and pink. Same thing goes with the pillowcase. And I have yellow and gray curtain up. I do like it. Tell me if you like it, guys. Tell me if you like it. Yeah. So that's my bedside table. Oh. Yes. And that's me. Sex me, yeah. So that's my closet where I keep my clothes in. And this is my dresser. This is it. We call it runner. It's very fluffy and nice. Some people do not really like to put things on their dresser. They prefer it like without nothing, just the dresser. But I actually like it like this because it's really soft. Yeah. So, and these flowers, oh, I love them. They're amazing. To me, I actually like them. Hope you do like them too as well. And it's also gray because I put the gray curtain, yes, and the gray cushion, gray pillow and gray sheet, gray on the carpet, yes. And this is loom. This is loom. It's called loom, or as some people said, linoleum. Well, that's my room. It's a very small room, as you can see. Yeah, very small. But even though it's small, I like it clean. So let's go in the living. Yes, this is my living room. Full of color, not true. Alright, so I use yellow and white. Some people say all time people put things on them settee. Put these things on the settee. But for me, I have children, so that's the reason for mine to be on the settee. Because trust me, these children will mess up your couch. I really do like these cushion cover. Yes, those made by my friend Bridget, the cover. Yes. This is loom as well on the floor. So it's yellow and white for the living room. That's it. Well, as you can see, it's a board house, but I'm still loving it. That's it, guys, and that's where it's the TV. And now I am going into the kitchen. And please remember, as I said, ghetto. We live in the ghetto, but even though we live in the ghetto, we still like our place, right? So over here, this is the kitchen curtain. I put there because it do not have any cupboard there as yet. You can see. Let me go some more so you can see it better. All right, that's it. See? All right, and that's the part for the window here. It's really nice. Hey, this is my little kitchen, guys. It will upgrade someday. And this is the area. This is where I cook. I have to try and get something to put on the wall. I have to get something to put on the wall, but not yet. I'll get it soon. So that's my kitchen. Welcome to this little bathroom. Yeah. The most comfortable thing about it, it's clean. And it is mine. So this is my shower curtain. I really like it. This little dress on it, I like it, yes. And yes, I do also wash in here because I don't have a washroom as yet. So we do the laundry here. And that's my bathroom. Oh, can see the wall? It's not tile as yet, but that wall is really nice. Trust me, it's a nice wall. Yes, guys, and that's my little area where I live. Well, the kids have their room around there. Another day I will show you their rooms. Yes, and how they keep on care where they live in. And trust me, you can make the best of what you have. Don't forget, no matter what you have in the house, all you have to do is just get it clean, sweep it. If you even just have a bed and a stove and everything is in one room, you only need to clean it out, sweep it out, wipe it out, make it smell fresh with some Fabuloso or, some bleach, and you make it smell good, So be comfortable with what you have, because I am comfortable with what I have until the Lord has provided more for me. And remember, hit that subscribe button. I'm your girl Tracy. Bye for now.